In this question, we're given that the high school has 1,860 students and that they either bike or walk, drive, or take the bus to school. And we have to find out how many students take the school bus given this information. Well, we know that students either bike or walk, or they drive, or they take the bus. So if we add the number of students that bike or walk to the number of students that drive to the number of students that take the bus, this will equal the total number of students. So the number of students that bike or walk is 45% of the total number of students. So we can write that as 45% of the total number, which is 1860. Plus the number of students that drive, and we're told it's 372 students, so we can write that in there. And we have to find out how many take the bus, so we can put that as the question mark. And we know the total number of students is 1,860. So we have an equation that we can solve for the question mark. So 45% of 1,860 would be decimal 45 of means to multiply. And that works out to be 837. Then we can just bring down the other information. 372 that drive, and we're still trying to find the number that take the bus. So now we can just add the number of students that bike or walk or drive, and we end up with 1,209. And again, we can fill in the rest of the information. Now we want to isolate the question mark, so we have to subtract 1,209 from both sides. And so this would be 1860 minus 1,209. Here we can see that these cancel out. And when we subtract these numbers, we end up with 651. And the question mark represents the number of students that take the bus. Therefore, we can say that 651 students take the bus to school.